On behalf of expertvillage.com, my name is Carolyn Travisano, and I'm here to show you about window murals. Okay, well, I started mixing up the paint to get the color that I want for the muffin, and now I'm just applying it. And it's a nice thick coat, so light can come through it, but it's not too thick to where it won't come through it. I use a nice thick wide brush so it has nice even strokes, and that's it. That is the muffin. Now I'm going to go back over to the paint table and mix up a color for the base part of it. And we're mixing. Okay. Then we're just going to add that to the bottom there. Nice even strokes. And that's it on the muffin.